Breaking news. AGF has named federal government as sponsors of Anambra killing assembly. Hello, my wonderful people. The AGF, we call him the Attorney General of the Federation, has named the federal government as sponsors. Quite shocking because Malami on a good day is a Fulani and will always speak for Buhari and protect Buhari's interest and the Fulani interest. So much so that he has told even the Fulanis to go to court and challenge laws being passed by southern governors preventing them from roaming their cattle, saying it's their fundamental human rights. Nobody told you you cannot move into the south, but you cannot roam cattle all around because it's causing trouble. Anyway, the Attorney General of the Federation has named the federal government as sponsor of the Anambra killing because the governor of Anambra State keeps saying it, that no Anambra man will come and be killing Anambra people. Nobody will do it. No Anambra man will do it to his own brother. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. The national coordinator of the All Progressive Grand Alliance Media Warriors Forum, Chinedu, has alleged that the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, has vested interest in the Anambra State's November governorship polls. He said Malami was among the Abuja cabal that promised to make Andy Ube of the All Progressive Congress governor of the state at all costs. He also allegedly stated that in Ikwo on Thursday at a press conference in a reaction to the threat by Malami of a possible state of emergency in the state over insecurity, stated that any proclamation of state of emergency will breed anarchy. Said Malami was taking every measure to fulfill his pledge made to Obey by some cartel to make him the next governor of the state so as to have more controlled ground in the southeast, just like they already have in Ebonyi and Imo. He said, "We are not surprised that Malami, the Attorney General of the Federation, and all efforts being put to issue threats of state of emergency in Anambra because we know he's part of the APC cartel at the national level that has promised Andy Obey that they will help him to take over Anambra by force. What Malami has succeeded in doing with his threats of the state of emergency rule in Anambra is that he has told Nigerians, the world at large, that APC are responsible for the killings in Anambra, bringing in machineries to kill the people and to make the ESM look like they are the ones. ESM has nothing to do with what is currently going on in the country." In a related development, the Anambra State House of Assembly has called for the sack of the Attorney General. In a statement by the special advisor of the Speaker of the Assembly Media, Emmanuel Madu, the lawmaker described Malami's comment as unwarranted. The lawmaker asked the president to reform police and security operative in the state for the protection of the people of the area. So this is what is going on. Our very own brother has said, well, the position, Chinedu said, the position of the Attorney General is to ensure that they take over, Imo State, I beg your pardon, Anambra State, so that they can have more control in the east, just like they already have in Ebonyi and in, Ebonyi and Imo. Ebonyi State, they killed people yesterday, about 7. How many people were killed yesterday, including security agencies, Ebonyi, just yesterday. This unwarranted killing is just the spilling of blood and making our land a very terrible place. Politicians are using the people now as their political tool to do their own thing. Please don't let them use you. Don't play into their arms. You'll be surprised that these are, some people who have been banned from coming to the region. They are the ones being used now as machineries to commit these atrocities so as to make the place ungovernable, uncomfortable, and make it a place where people can no longer, go out and they feel very unsafe. They feel very unsafe. These are some of the things going on, and these are some of the things happening. So Nigerians are a real wake-up call. that we cannot fold our arms and allow these things to be happening. The Attorney General of the Federation woke up one morning and said it is high time a state of emergency is declared Enugu, Anambra State. And people are wondering, really? So you know the meaning of declaration of state of emergency. You know the meaning. And you've not done that ever since in all the northern states where we have trouble. People being kidnapped in Kaduna, where they went to university, primary school, Bethel, where they were killing people. The students were killed. No state of emergency in Niger, in Castina, in, I mean, all the neighboring states where these things are happening. I think it's okay for the bandits, like they've called it, who are really terrorists, to continue to do what they are doing. I mean, no crime is less and no crime is more. Yes, we're not saying one crime is less and one crime is more. However, we are saying, what is the government's real intention in what they are saying? What is their real intention? We must understand it. We must understand their real intention, because these people, you think they mean well for you. You think that they are on the same page with you, but you'll be surprised that they have other antics down their sleeves. They have other things they intend to do. Not because they care for the people, not because they care for them, that they really love them. They want to see things get better. No, no, there's no such intention. It's all self-gratification. Can you imagine? Because you have promised, allegedly, like this Chinedu is saying, you have promised somebody the governor of the state, so you go at all lengths to ensure that the state is ungovernable, so that that person, you can keep to your promise of, giving the state over to that person. Like we know what happened in Imo State. Imo State election was never won by the person who is the governor today. I mean, it's black and white. Even what's it called now? Even Supreme Court in Nigeria cannot prove it. They don't even know what to say. They cannot face anybody and tell them the truth. Even Supreme Court of Nigeria cannot say the truth. They are stuck. The Supreme Court of Nigeria cannot speak on the matter. They were asked, so what do you think? They can't say a word. They don't know. So how did you declare the person? Somebody who appointed me as a judge gave me the order to go ahead and declare so and so the governor. They can't even put it together and look at it logically according to the law. So it's happening, my people. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.